Okay, so here is the best way on how you can remove text from a video in CapCut on your phone. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So the first method, if the text is added as like a text layer, just open CapCut and then tap edit and then open your project. And after that, tap on the text layer in timeline and then press delete. This only works if the text was added inside CapCut. Now for method number two, if the text is part of video, like watermark or screen text, use crop and then tap your video in the timeline and then select crop and then adjust the frame to cut out the text, export. And then your B option is this use cover, sticker or overlay trick. Tap overlay, add blur, shape, or solid color box. Place it over the text and just adjust the opacity and blur to hide it out. And then use background blur, tap canvas, blur, and then increase blur slightly. Place the video as an overlay and crop around the text. And you can use AI remove if it's available for you. In the newer CapCut versions, what you can do is just, have remove object, tap on the video, go to edit and remove object, brush over the text and apply. It's not available on all the devices, but you might have it. So yeah, this is it. I hope this truly helped you out. I'll see you soon.